Hello, this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Folk, and today we are at
Coal Mountain Park in North Forsyth on Settingdown Road.
And today we want to show you what this park has to offer, so come along. This park has a community center where activities are. They have tennis courts here. You can have your dog here as well. They got a large soccer field. They do have a 1 mile approximately trail that goes around that you can do. Just follow the sidewalk, goes around different areas of the park. Yeah, a covered picnic area over here. And swing. They have multiple ball fields over here. We have a large playground here. Okay, when you have your kids that are playing in ball fields, and then you have little ones here, you can have them playing there as well while keeping them busy. You got restroom facilities over there. You got batting cages for practice. As well as a pitching area for practice. They do have a lot of ball field areas here, so they can have many games at the same time. And a very large parking area. Besides the playing fields, they also have a second play area further down. One thing we noticed while walking this park area is the unusual clouds and patterns in the sky. It's like planes have flown over, and then you have the shadows also. That's unique. You don't see that every day. As I said earlier, the trail here is a mile long. And they got restroom facilities at each large area. Off the ball fields. There's also a very large soccer / football field over here as well.
We hope you have enjoyed this video of another one of the parks that's in Forsyth County and Cumming.
We thank you for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe, and look towards the end of this video as we show you links to our other videos here in Forsyth County. Thanks.